What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. So, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads: 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to Pewdiepie YouTube channel. According to Social Blade, Pewdiepie YouTube have uploaded 4,300 video. He currently has 109 million subscribers. After reaching 100 million subscribers, he has been awarded with the red diamond play button from YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 27,054,871,930. That is insane. He is a YouTuber from US. And his channel type is games. He created his channel since April 29, 2010. The grade he got is A, and his Social Blade ranking is 376th. Subscriber ranking is 4th. Video view rank is 23rd. He ranked 1st in US. And games rank is 1st. Next, the average on daily subs for Pewdiepie YouTube is unknown. And daily view around 5,639,307. Now let's talk about how much money he is making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 5,600,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for Pewdiepie will be $22,400. Monthly income is $672,000. And yearly income will get $8,064,000. But wait, don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $8,064,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $4,435,200. And that is how much Pewdiepie earn from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.